Hello everyone, namaste, it's me Laxman and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the good news today. Only because of you guys, I'm able to buy a new camera today. This is my new camera, Canon Eos M50. It cost $899 to me. I bought it from JV Hi-Fi. Till today, I have been using my iPhone to shoot videos and edit videos as well. I find a bit hard to shoot and edit the videos through mobile phones. I wanted to buy this camera a long time ago when I started my YouTube channel, but that time I was not able to buy this camera. Now I will tell you the reasons why I bought this camera. There are lots of cameras in market like Sony, Nikon, Lumix, etc. But it is one of the cheap and budget camera for me. It is not that much cheap and not that much expensive. It is very suitable for vlogging camera and sit down videos as well. As I already told you, it is cheap and budget camera in comparison to other cameras. With its price, it's good quality camera. I feel cheap and budget to me in comparison to other cameras. With its price, it is a big quality camera. In future, if I want to change the lens of this camera, I can easily change the lens as well. It has a better autofocus so that I can easily shoot any kind of videos. And another reason why I bought this camera is it is easy to handle and it's good for beginners like me. It is lighter in weight so that it's very easy to handle. Just open and start shooting any kind of videos. Okay, that's a lot. Let's start unboxing. Okay, this is the box, so let's open it. Some metal box. Here is the charger. This is the battery. This is Canon battery. This is the strap of the camera. This is the charger box. This is the lens. For 15 to 45 mm lens. See. Here is the main body of this camera. Wow. See guys. It has viewfinder as well. So I'll show you how to fix the lens as well. Open this one. Open the lens. And if you see, here is the white mark over here. And here as well, try to match this. The white marks, both of the white marks. And just fix it round. Just make it round and pull this cover, and here is the one thing. So pull it here and make it round, the main camera will open. It will make the sound. That's it. Make it on and ready to go. That's it. And here is the Rode mic as well. I bought it on $98 from same store. And this is the video mic. This mic is good for vlogging and sit down videos. Here is the option for mic. Now, ready to go. Boom.